My dear children, today I have brought a story for you that will not only make you happy, but also inspire you to help each other. So let's begin with today's story. Aman had planted a beautiful garden of flowers in his small field. He took great care of his garden, tending to it lovingly. Every morning he would wake up early, water the flowers, feed them, and talk to them with great affection. One day, Aman saw a little tired bird in his garden. The bird was flying around and looked very exhausted. Aman felt very concerned upon seeing it. He understood that the bird was very tired and needed rest. Aman thought of allowing the bird to rest in his garden. He raised his hand towards the bird and said, "My dear bird, would you like to come and rest in my garden?" The bird opened its eyes, looked at Aman, and smiled. It said, "Thank you. I am very tired. I would like to rest in your garden." Aman took the bird to his garden and gave it a cozy nest. The bird was very happy and expressed its gratitude to Aman. Finally, the bird peacefully fell asleep in its new nest. Aman joyfully observed that he was reaping the rewards of his hard work. He realized that goodness always changes with time, and when we help others, we feel good. So children, this story teaches us that we should help others and share happiness. We should try to understand other people's problems and be prepared to help them.